Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video I'm going to show you my top 5 antivirus that you can use for your PC. Some are available for your phone as well. You can install on your phone completely free of charge, and in some cases we have some paid ones that you can use, but I'm going to select the top 5 that you can use both for PC and for Mac operating system as well as your mobile phone. So the first on my list is the old AVG that we used to know. It's a very popular antivirus that you can just install, and it's going to provide protection on your system. You can access it by coming to avg.com and you'll be able to be brought in over here. You can get powerful, effective protection against viruses and scam website with this free antivirus. It's just one simple download, and it's available for Mac, Android, and iOS as well. You can easily download it and you can install it on your system. Okay, so once you are here, you can be able to come down and you'll be able to see all the details of what you need. You can even have the internet security that can protect you against any kind of harm or any kind of scammers coming in to scam your camera or to tamper with your files online. It's going to help you to stay protected. And included in the AVG Ultimate also, you have the internet security, the VPN, secure, tune-up, and anti-track. Okay, you can have all of these attached to the free antivirus, so you can download it and install it and just experience it as well. So like I said, if you are using a normal Windows, you can come to the PC and you can go to the ultimate download, or you can just go to AVG antivirus free, or you can come to the Mac operating system. You can see AVG antivirus for Mac operating system, and it's very easy. Once you click, the download will start automatically and you can directly have access. You can just go ahead and click on download. It's for Windows or for Mac. If it is for Mac, you can just click. You're almost done. Your download will start immediately and you should have it in here, antivirus setup, and you can go ahead and start installing to use it on your system. It's very easy to use and you can share with your friends as well. So that is my first choice. Now the second on my list is Avast. Avast also is well known. It's an old antivirus that you can actually go ahead and start using. You can download the free antivirus, award-winning virus, malware, and next level online scam protection. It's a free antivirus available for Windows, Mac, as well as Android and iOS as well. It's been here for quite some time and it's very effective, and you can see some of the features as well. Accessing it is very easy. You have multi-layered antivirus security, comes as a standard pack with Avast Assistant, WebGuard, Smart Scan, File Shield, Behavior Shield, and Quarantine. And you can see all the different features that it offers you, including Wi-Fi, network security, safer browsing and emailing, ransomware protection, and data leaks, and so on. And to access it is very simple and easy. You can just come to avast.com and it will bring you in here, and you can just go ahead and download for your operating system, whether you are dealing with Mac, whether you are dealing with Office, whether you are dealing with Android and you want it installed. You can see the installer had been downloaded. You can just click and you can start installing. It's completely free to install as well when you are dealing with Windows, for example, in my own case. But it's a wonderful antivirus, and if you want, you can come over here to have some freely Q&A that you can understand on how to install the antivirus. It's just done in 3 simple steps. You download, you open the file, and you install the file. It's very direct, and you have a bit about system requirements. For example, you have the PC with this Windows 11, 8, 10, 8.1, 07 with 32 and 64-bit operating system with a starter kit of 4 gigabytes of RAM is fine, or 2 GB hard drive space is also very fine. Mac running on this, High Sierra or later, and then Android phones on this simple feature. So it is very nice, and it comes in. You might also be interested in any of this. If you're interested, you can just go ahead and explore and try. So Avast is an old antivirus, but it's still serving, it's still functioning, and it's completely free to download and install and make use of it. So please go ahead, explore it. This is my second choice. Now the next antivirus that I have on the list is Avira. Avira also is been here for quite some time. It's an award-winning free antivirus for PCs. You can see over here. It's also equally available for Mac, Android, and iOS. And if you are on Windows, it will automatically detect your operating system. And you can see right now it has detected that I'm using a Windows operating system, 64-bit. Avira free antivirus will help you guard against online scams, viruses, identify theft, and more. And you can even solve online privately thanks to the free VPN they provide, and it can make your PC faster and save hard drive space if you're interested. So quite a lot of things that you can benefit from. It can protect yourself from cyber threat, stay private, and many other things. Security, privacy, the status and performance of the system. It can scan, it can remove viruses and free up spaces if this is what you are interested in. But it's a free antivirus that you can access, and like I said, it's available for Android as well. You can just check your Android app, so you can be able to download it and use it directly. So if you want to download, you can just go ahead, click on download, and it's just going to go ahead and download it for you. You can have their support as well at any given point. You can see downloading. Once you download the installer, you can just go ahead. Installation is also completely free, and you can follow the program. The 3 steps are download, run the program, and install, and that's all. Very easy to use, and it gives you maximum protection. The next antivirus that I like is ESET. Okay, ESET is very good. It's been here also for quite some time. It gives you maximum protection as well, and you can access it by coming to eset.com/ng to just signify this is Nigeria. So this one is not completely free. Essential antivirus protection, you have to pay, depends on whether you want it monthly or yearly, but it's very good. It is fast, it is light, it is vital for gamers and everyday users that don't want any interruptions. Just install and forget about it. Fully secured Windows and Mac operating system, depending, it's for Windows and Mac operating system. You can see all the details. So you can see the details about the antivirus. Very nice, and everything that is covered. Okay, get the legendary antivirus today, not 32. But let me show you about the pricing. Okay, you have some Q&A questions or FAQs that you can check. Let me show you about the pricing. You can start at 16,000 naira, which is like averagely $10 to $11, about $12 for this. You can start with this, and then there are other features as well. This is not free completely, but you can start using it with this much, depending on how much of its usage you want to use. You can even have the one PC for 14,000 and the one for 15. Depending, when you add the number of PCs, the value is also going to change when you add the number of users. But it is a very interesting one that you can enjoy using. So to download also, you can download and start using it for trial. Free download, you can just click in here and it's going to pop in for you to choose from. You can get started, set up your account today, and download and activate and manage your licenses very easily. This is very good, but only that you need to just pay some amounts to start using it. It has also parental control that you can download and add to the Android if you're using Android. So it helps a lot in providing maximum protection. It is fast and it is best for gamers and people that want to go on private browsing. Alright, so the fourth on my list is Microsoft Defender. You can access it by coming to microsoft.com/this. It's under Microsoft 365. It comes in with it professional grade, always on protection for you and your family and data services. Okay, and so you can download the app, but you can buy it with under the 365 platform. So it's a very wonderful one. It's an all-in-one online protection that can give you a lot of benefit. Though this one too is not for free, but you can start it for free to enjoy it, and then you can later on sign in. It's available for Windows, Android, iOS, and Mac operating system, and even the web portal. You can have it. You can view your phone and computer protections, monitor, identify threats, and get step-by-step threat resolution guidance on how you can go about it. So you can just download the app of also, and then you can see it is better with Microsoft 365. It comes in with this pricing per year, except if you want the family package or the premium package. But I think this is quite good enough. But it is a wonderful protection application that can give you 100% protection against any kind of theft or virus attack or internet fraud or anti-tracking stuff, you can get everything done with this very software or application. So my last on the list is called Trend, or House Call. It is a free antivirus scan. You can even get you professional scan directly on your system online, and it can help you to scan your system, detect and fix viruses, worms, spyware, and other malicious threats completely for free. Okay, so you can access it. It's number 6 that I have, and it's just like a bonus one, but it is very effective. You can also use it, and it's available for all the applications, free for your Android device, and as well as you can have these features, easy to use interface, smart scan, custom scan options, no compatibility issues, review and restore, and then you can have enhanced protection and cleanup. Very wonderful and very nice. You can start your free scan for Windows 64 or 32-bit. It is going to automatically detect which operating system you are using. Okay, and it's going to give you the particular scan feature. So it's a wonderful one that you can try. Trend is completely free. All you need is just to create an account and start using, and you can help use it to scan completely your system, and it can give you reports and then how you can make it better. So this basically concludes this simple tutorial about the use of my top 5 antivirus that you can use for your system. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.